Why am I pulling the lever? Nuh-uh. Come here. Come here. No, stop it. Stop it. Hey, recruit, get your pushing joystick on this machine. No, get away. Get away. Dang it. Come on. No, get back here. Come here. Come here. Come with me. No, come with me. Come on. We're going this way. Yikes. This lag though. Woo! Is this Rocket League? We need to go this way. Oh, dang it. We lost. Wait a minute. Wait, get back in the car. You know what? I don't need that. Get over here. No. No. I didn't know how to do that. Stop that. Stop it. I want to get the ball. Come here. Get over here. Come here. Come here. Get over here. Get over here. No. Come here. Come here. Come here. No. Come over. Oh, I gotta get in the... Let me just hop in real quick. Alrighty, grabbing him. Ah. Ah. Okay, there we go. Why are we playing Rocket League? This isn't... We're not delivering packages. Ah! I got knocked out. How did that happen? Alright, get back in. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at these dudes. Hello. Hello. Get over here. Yeah, let's grab this ball. Come on. Where are we taking it? Oh, it's covered in bubble wrap. Hey, get back here. Get over here. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Come on. You two. Come on, let's go. Come on. Nope. You're coming with me. Nope, you're coming with me. Yeah, knocked. Oh, now we're all knocked out. Come on. Come on. No, you're not starting this vehicle. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, I'm knocked out. Oh, these lasers. Oh, that's pretty cool. What? I don't want to play Rocket League anymore. Let's do this. We hit the ball other way. No, get in the car. Dang, I really flew. Ah! Something blew up. Oh no, I'm under the car. Get out of there. What is that noise he's making? Sounds like a monkey. Just a little further. If your head wasn't so big, you'd be out here. Come on. Oh look, it's the EMS. They're here to rescue me. No, never mind. They ran away. Oh, I just knocked myself out. Respawn. There we go. There you go. Fix myself. Take that car. I'm gonna beat you up. Go. Ah! Don't. Ah! You ran me over. Old lady. Stop that. You boomer. Get me out of here. Help me. Don't just stand there. No, I got a package to deliver. Just gotta reach my hand down here. Wait. Yeah, that doesn't do anything, man. Oh, never mind. Ah! You ran into me, mister. I can't do anything now. I got the package, though. Delivered to the fountain. Who's that? Hey! Hey, help me. Help me. There's a ah, I got knocked out. Ah, I got knocked out again. Come on, get out the way. I got knocked out again. No, let go of me. Let. Okay, now I can grab. I can. Go to ah, stop hitting me. Let's go to the fountain. Let's take it to the. No, stop trying to run me over. I can hear you. Stop it. Stop trying to run me over. Where's the fountain at? Is that the fountain? Hey, that's not very nice. Stop it. You're being mean. Stop that. Stop that. I'm just trying to do my job. Stop that. How am I not knocked out yet? I don't know where it's at. Oh, the trophy. 500. Stop that. Oh, it's way over there. Stop that! You broke my arms, kid. That's mine. That's mine. No, no. Oh, now I'm knocked down. Come back. This is my package. I'm gonna fight you for it. I fell over. Yeah, I got you now. No, I got you now. Oh, now I'm knocked out. You know what? Take that. I'll find another package. And oh, I didn't. How did I do that? Okay, take us to the stadium. How this package deliver in no time. I can run too. I'm super fast. I'm careful. Ah! How did that happen? I did it! I got $50. Wait, so is that the whole point of the game? Yeah, try and let go now. Yeah, that's right, you're gonna fall in with me. We're doing this again. No, you let go of me. Now, I don't know what this machine is, and we're falling again. There we go. Now, what is this? I'm grabbing on. Grab on with both hands. I don't even know what this is. Oh, this goes fast. Oh. It's been fun. Bye-bye. Ooh, can I drive this boat? I want to drive this boat. No! Can I get a helicopter? Let me do this thing. Deliver gas to Gasa. Is that NASA? But with gas? Okay. Now let's go. There we go. And you best not let go. Come on. Oh. See you on the other side. Fragile. Someone forgot their space helmet. What? How did I get... what? You know, I think I'm gonna die. Dang. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna climb this mountain by myself. See? That's how you do it. You just jump. If you want everyone to find out how to climb a mountain, you just jump. Hold on. Ah! Now I knock myself out. Okay, come on. Now I may be stupid. There we go. I'll never get this package. Never. If I have anything to say about it. No! Stop tackling me, old boomer. Oh, you knocked me out. You know what? No. If you hit B, it knocks you out. So I'm not. How? No, B knocks him. They're out. Ow. Alrighty, bucko. Let's get out of here. Bye-bye. There you go. Good man. Come on, we can do this. No, don't let go of me. I have the package. And it says fragile, and we just dropped it like 10 stories. I got the package. I got the package. I got the package. Come on. Come on. Now we're gone. I got kicked. Oh. I did it. I did it. I'm a pro. Now where'd this go? Oh, it goes up there again. I just keep making free money. Stop watching me. Look, you're in my personal bubble. I'm gonna have to. Oh. No, he said it was restricted area. I'm not gonna go down that route. The last thing I want is to be in Area 51 on a school night. Oh, I did it! Now I'm trapped in the box. Let me out! No, Boxman, Boxman. Hey, ma'am, you Dark Soul 3? When's that coming out? Come with me, ma'am. Ma'am. Now you're coming with me. Whether you like it or not. Nuh-uh. You're coming with me. Get in this starship. You know what? I don't even need you. I'll fly my own. Now you just have a good time without anything or anyone. Ah! That was pretty fun. Let's do it again. Now this time I'm gonna be careful. No. How? Oh. Flip. Oh, I did it. Let's go take these stairs for a walk. Oh. I hit my head on the fountain. Blub blub. Glug glug. Haha. I'm swimming. Wait a minute. This is sewage. Oh. Can I get down to Bane? Bane, you down there? I'm taking you somewhere. Yeah, I know your question. You don't know what's going on. Well, let me tell you right now. You will. Oh. Wait a minute. Ah! I just touched it. That's all I did. No, the package came out. I can help you. I got it, sir. No need to thank me. I'm just a hero for fun. Ah! I did it! No, we did it. There you go. Now you drive. I dare ya. I double dare ya. Yeah. Now I'm grabbing onto you. So get back in your vehicle and drive. Drive. No, you need to stop. Stop it. There, now you're knocked out. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Now, I may not know how to drive. You know what? This ain't worth it. Bye-bye. Ah! Listen, you'll never take me alive. Bye-bye. Oh, there's the airplane. I'm going to drive airplane. Oh yeah, let's get out of here, man. Bye-bye. Wow, that's a big beach ball. I'm gonna go kick it. Oh, that's a big balloon. Wait a minute. Oh. No, wait. El cactus. Hold on. Dang it. Come on. El cactus. Ah! You know, it's the meme. It's the. I'll play the clip.
Mira, a ver, Cactus, quédate quieto un momento.
Come on, man. Wow! Cruise ship. I want to get on the cruise. Oh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wait, did he make it? I think he did. He did make it. I want to see him. Now let's land this puppy. Wait a minute. How did that fall before the hot air balloon? Now where'd that hot air balloon go? There he is. Nice and easy. Flawless landing. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Wait, did you pop that? No. Oh. I understand. I'm not the best pilot. Okay. What I am saying. Bye-bye. Burnt Riddles? Who that? Never heard of him. Oh, look at that box truck. I'm gonna drive that. Come to me. Oh. You know what? Okay, you can't drive it. And now I am stuck between a train and a hard place. Now my head is stuck. Oh, I fixed it. Thank you, man. Have a good day. Now, what does that mean? Oh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See, I'm gonna fly. Never mind. I'm gonna die. Oh, that guy was giving me advice. He was telling me not to put it all the way up. And then I did. It's okay. I'll fix it. I'll fix it from this side. Sorry. Oh yeah. I'm boogieing. Doing the flap. Doing the flap. Doing the flap. Oh yeah. Flap time. Goodbye, my friend. Oh. Ow. Why did I get banned? Who's this? Ah. Who are you? Okay. Oh, hang gliding. I want to try this. Yahoo! Uh-oh. No. I can recover, right? Maybe not. Alright, let's run. Yeah. Yay. Splat. Oh, that gave me a concussion, alright. Ah! This man trying to kill me. Get back here, I'll fight you any day. No, get back here. Oh. Never mind. Do not fall. Dang. Can I go to space? Three. Oh. Dang, I flew pretty high. Like a kite up here. Old man, come on, let's go. Old man. Come on. Yay! Now where are we going, man? Now my head. Oh. Get in. I can drive. Yeah. Get. Okay. You know what? You can fly. I'll grab on. Okay. Let's do this thing. No, careful, man. I'm right here. No, careful. You don't want anything broken. Come on, we're almost there. Come on, buddy. We almost made it. But that's not cool. Ah! Concussion. Uh-oh. Yahoo! Wow! That was pretty cool. Wait, why are we flying upwards backwards? Oh. Bye-bye. Black. Okay, I think I'm gonna fall. I dropped the package. I'm sorry. Beat a dive.